This time of the year is a beauty lover's dream when we see all of these huge Black Friday sales going on. And I know many of us, including myself, we save up all year long for some of these huge sales. Some of these sales that are going on right now are 80% off some amazing beauty products that many of us know and love. So I wanted to share with you some of the biggest Black Friday sales, specifically for the products that I currently use and love, and I know that many of you already use and love, and hopefully it will help save you a lot of money. And the good thing is, most of these products that I'm sharing, they're already more affordable, or should I say budget friendly. They're not super duper ridiculously expensive anyways. The fact that many of these that are already super affordable are 40, 50, and some 80% off, it just makes some of these Black Friday deals even better. Since I know how things are in the economy, I wanted to make this video fair for pretty much everyone who watches my channel, so there would just be a little bit of something for everyone, no matter what your budget is. All right, so the very first one, it's probably gonna sell out. I'm surprised it hasn't sold out already. I'm gonna edit it out if it's sold out by the time I get this video edited and up. It did sell out last year, but I don't have the packaging anymore. But this is it right here. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. This is normally, I think, $522 or $544. This is now on sale right now for 80% off. If I did my math correctly, it's roughly 80% off. There are 13 beauty products in here. Most of them are full size. Some are the deluxe sizes of them. For example, this product is in here. This is by Obagi, which is sold in like high-end luxury med spas. This is an amazing product. It's got like this nice little roller ball, but it's normally, I think, 130, maybe 140 some bucks. It is $8 right now in this kit. Absolutely insane that you can get a product like this for only $8 in this kit. This product right here, I had never even heard of this brand. This was in this box also. This is by the brand Clarity RX. This is only $8 in this kit. And I think this retails for like 120 or 130 some dollars. Now, I would never spend that much for a peptide serum. However, it is absolutely amazing. This is chock full of, I don't know, I think it's like 6 or 7 different peptides, high up in the ingredients. This plumps up your skin, hydrates your skin. It's really nice on your face and your neck, but since it is super expensive, although it really only is $8 in this kit, I like to just concentrate it kind of around my eye area and just plump up those fine lines and wrinkles. Like I said, I would never pay the normal retail price for it, but for $8 in this kit, you can get this high-end luxury medical grade product for only $8 in this kit. A couple other products that stood out that I'm really enjoying that are in here. I haven't opened this one yet, but I've used it before. This is by the brand Peter Thomas Roth. This retails for quite a bit at Sephora, and this is their cucumber gel mask. This little device I thought was really intriguing. This is like one of those sonic devices, and what it's supposed to do is help your skincare ingredients penetrate even better into your skin. So after you put your skincare on, or after you put, say, this bougie peptide serum on that you get for $8 in this kit, you can run this over your skin, and it's got like this sonic vibration, but it also gently lightly heats up, and it's gonna help push your skincare products deeper into your skin. This comes in this kit, and technically it's only $8 when you get it in this kit. Like I said, there's 13 items in this kit, but this is one other item that I absolutely love that I shared the other day. This is an eyeshadow palette. I think it normally retails for 25 or $30, but this is what I've been wearing in a lot of my videos. I don't have it on today. I'll share with you what I have on my eyes here in a moment, but this is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. This is more of an evening look for me. I mean, look how gorgeous these are. You cannot beat the price of this. If you are on a budget and you are trying to save money and shop at Walmart or Target or Walgreens to get your drugstore makeup, this is high-end makeup, but you're basically paying drugstore prices, getting it for basically $8 in this kit. I think that this is by far the best Black Friday deal that I have seen anywhere. All right, the next Black Friday sale I wanted to share is the brand DERMELECT. And of course, if you are not new to my channel, you will know this right here is my all-time favorite Face serum, this is my holy grail of every single face serum ever. The brand is gonna be 30% off actually starting tomorrow. Now, everything else I'm sharing, the sale is starting right now. So you can look down below this video, click on the links, and you can start shopping right now for everything. But I wanted to share that this tomorrow will be 30% off. But I already have my own code that the brand has given me that you guys are allowed to use for 20% off. The 30% off code that starts tomorrow, you have to spend, I think, at least $150 to be able to get that. So even if you buy 1, 2, 3, 4 products, no matter what the price is, you can use my 20% off code. It's a great deal if you are going to spend at least $150 to get the 30%. But if you are on a budget and you're like, man, I've really just been wanting to try that serum, you can use my 20% off coupon code right now if you wanted to try my Holy Grail face serum. You don't have to wait till tomorrow, and you do not have to buy at least $150 worth of items to save money. All right, the next huge sale that's going on right now is for 40% off, and that is on my all-time favorite vitamin C serum. This is already a budget-friendly vitamin C serum, but it is 40% off. Now, I haven't tried everything from the brand, but these are the 3 products that are my absolute favorites. I have tried a few other things and I like them, but these 3 right here are my absolute faves. Their other product I love is this cleanser. This one specifically. They have a bunch of different ones, but this is the one that I love. This is their exfoliating cleanser. It's their repair cleanser, and they say it's really good for mature skin because it's a more gentle type of exfoliating cleanser, and it has a very mild acid in it, which is perfect to use before you use this vitamin C. But they also have an eye cream that I wanted to share, and I know many of you constantly ask me about eye creams. I have been testing a ton of different eye creams over, I'd say, the past, I don't know, 6 months to a year. And I do have a few favorites, and this is one of them. It's a little bit thicker, kind of a more silicone-y type eye cream. It's really nice to use in the evening, especially with these dry, colder months creeping up on us. But I love the way my under eyes feel after I use it. And then of course I wake up the next day and my under eye area has not dried out. You know how some eye creams, you put them on and then an hour later you're like, oh my gosh, it's completely dried up. The skin's dry and all crinkly and crepey again. That doesn't happen when I use this. So this is an eye cream that I really, really enjoy, and it's 40% off right now. And since we're talking about eye creams, this is another eye cream that is on sale. This is by the brand DERMELECT. This is a newer eye cream that I've been testing out, and you guys, this one is really impressive. I loved it so much I bought another one. I loved it so much that as soon as I got it and I tested it out and I could feel the results, I could feel the inflammation in my eyes going down, I had to rush and put it on my husband because I was like, oh my gosh, you have to feel what this does to your eyes. This is so neat. This is on a really good sale also, so I will link this down below. But this has peptides in it. This also has one of my favorite ingredients, the superoxide dismutase. You know, the face mist that I absolutely love from the brand Neod, and I know many of you love that mist also. That ingredient, the superoxide dismutase, that ingredient is in here. That is a really great antioxidant. It is really great for inflammation. But this is an eye cream that I like to use in the morning. And this eye cream that I share, this is one that I do like to use at night. Now, remember, these products that I'm sharing, you don't have to go buy all these products. If you have saved up and you're looking to purchase stuff for Black Friday, really good beauty deals, that's why I'm just sharing what the good deals are. But I don't want you to feel like, oh my gosh, you have to buy this eye cream for morning and this eye cream for night and this serum for that and this product for this. Please do not go and max out your credit cards and go and buy a bunch of crazy things that you don't need. If you already have a bunch of eye creams already in your skincare cabinet, don't even go and buy any of these. But if you are in the market and you are looking for a new eye cream and you wanted to know about the great deals for Black Friday, that's why I'm sharing all of these great deals. But if you're unsure on the eye creams, if you deal with more fine lines and wrinkles and age spots and just more age-related issues around around your eyes, this eye cream by Neostrata is one that I would highly recommend. And again, I just like it best for the evening because it is a little bit thicker. And then this one is best for the morning if you're dealing with puffiness, any redness, and of course it's also great for fine lines. And then of course it also has amazing antioxidants in it. The next brand that I absolutely love that is on sale right now, 25% off, is Kosas. Can you tell I love this? This is only a part of my Kosas collection. That's how much I love this brand. I use a lot of their products in many or most of my videos. I have this eyeshadow on right now. I have shared this in many videos. If you love a matte eyeshadow palette, it's all matte except for this one kind of peachy, shimmery shade, but this is my favorite almost all matte eyeshadow palette, especially if you have mature eyes. These are just so easy to blend and so easy to work with. The other product I love, this is a holy grail product, not just my favorite from the brand, but my favorite out of every brand. If you are looking for the tiniest brow pencil ever, if you struggle with doing your brows and you don't want your eyebrows to look fake and Instagrammy, I guess I'll call it, and you want your brows to look like actual hairs, I have many other videos where I've shared this and I can link those down below, but this is literally the tiniest brow pencil ever. When you use this, it looks like little brow hairs, little brow strokes. It won't look fake. I love it so much, I've bought like 5 of these because I never ever want to run out of them. I love this brow pencil, the best ever. I also love their clear brow gel. If you like that laminated look, but you don't want them to look fake laminated, like stuck to your head laminated, but you want them to stay in place. If you know, the older we're getting, especially if you're like me and you have a few gray ones that are like, I'm gonna go here and I'm going here and here, and you want them to be like, no honey, you're gonna lay down on my face today where I want you to lay. This brow gel is so good, but you can actually touch your brows afterwards, but it'll keep your brows in place, especially those unruly grays that have a mind of their own, and it just looks really natural, but everything looks really polished. They also have tinted ones to match your brow hair that I really like. I use, I think, the medium brown, and if I'm in a big hurry, I'll just slap that one on real quick, but I like to just use this combination of their pencil, and then I'll just brush through it with their clear, and it just looks really, really nice. Their concealer, this is probably my 5th one. I love their concealer. You know, I'm 51 years old. Pretty much every concealer is gonna crease. If you're like me, I make a lot of expressions. I mean, I don't look like I have Tourette's, I guess, but I make a lot of expressions during the day, and it doesn't matter what concealer I use. I will eventually make it crease from, you know, doing all of this all day long. I don't like to put powder all up around my eyes. But out of every concealer I've ever tried, this is the one concealer that minimally, very minimally, hardly creases at all. And I just love this concealer. It's self-setting on me. I do not have to put powder on over it. And it just looks really pretty under my eyes. I'll just show you really quickly. Their lipsticks, that's what I have on today. I mix their shades. This is a little kit. I'm not sure if they still have it. I'll look and see if they do. I'm gonna link it, but this came with 3 shades, so you can try different ones, but I have the shade, I think it's called, I don't know what it's called and I can't read this, but I'll link them down below what I have on. And I'm looking, it's faded a little bit, and so I can see that my lip liner's darker. It's like 1990s look with darker lip liner, but whatever, it is what it is. But this is a shade that I wear almost every single day, and I can't see what it is, what the name of it is, but I will link it down below. But this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Every time I have this shade on, and then of course I blot it. Let me show you what it looks like when I blot it. So let's just pretend these are my lips, and then I just kind of blot it off. And then this is what it will end up looking like. But do you see how pigmented this is? And then it just kind of stains my lips this color. It's like just a really pretty kind of raspberry, your lips but better, but a lot better color. And every time I have this on, my husband always will say something. I think he just likes when I wear colors that have that really pretty your lips but better look to them. And I have this lip gloss on. I think it's their Lip Boost. I can't read without my glasses, but oh look, it matches my t-shirt. But if you're looking for a lip gloss, first of all, it's easy to use to throw in your pocket or your purse, but your lips won't get kind of gloppy or goopy and you won't see strings of lip gloss. It's not sticky at all, and it has good ingredients in it. This is a really pretty lip gloss to wear by itself or to put over top of your lipsticks. This is a brand I recently shared, Naked Sundays. Their sale is going on right now. I will link it down below. I think it's 25 or 30% off. If you have not tried their sunscreen lip glosses, even if you're not into sunscreen, but you're into lip glosses, this is a lip oil, not a gloss, not a goopy, gloppy gloss. If you are like me and you cannot stand the taste of a lot of sunscreen lip glosses, you still want to protect your lips, but you just want it to taste like a yummy lip gloss, I could eat this. That's how delicious this is. This is, I think this is salted caramel. I'll link it down below. This is the best flavored lip oil ever. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. This literally smells like you could eat it. That's how amazing this is. I wish you guys could smell it. Here, smell. Can you smell that? This smells so yummy. If you have purchased this, let me know if you love this as much as I do. But this is not just any lip oil. This is an SPF 50 lip oil. So even though I know we're going into the winter months, we are still getting UV damage, and the older we're getting, we don't want our lips to look all shriveled up because the collagen and everything's breaking down and we're getting wrinkles all around our lips. The SPF is going to help prevent our lips from aging. So why not use something that is fun to use, that tastes yummy, versus using some icky, boring sunscreen on our lips. Other product, if you're gonna get anything from this brand, this is my favorite, and this is also my husband's favorite. This is their SPF 50 Glow Mist. If you like to use facial mist on your face, but you want to protect your face in the process, we brought this on our recent cruise and this worked out so well. I use this on my face, my neck, my ears, my arms, my hands, but this made my face look so glowy. I know this is something most of you will want when summertime comes, but don't forget, just because we're getting into the colder months, that sun is still out there and UV rays are still out there. So we have to make sure we're protecting our skin, not only in the summertime. If you wanted to see another video on the easiest eyeshadow trick and how to do your eyeshadow really, really fast, especially if you have hooded eyes, I use this eyeshadow palette from Kosas and show you how to do this little hack or trick, whatever you want to call it, with this eyeshadow palette. I zoom in super duper close, so literally all you see are two eyes in your screen to make it really, really easy for you to follow. But if you want to see that other video, I am going to pop that up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you do shop in any of these Black Friday sales, don't go too crazy, but if you do, I hope you have lots of fun shopping.